Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host and Click Digest, and what do you see here? Is it an iPhone 6s in rose gold color? Well, you may think so, and I also thought so when I saw it first. It's an iPhone clone, it's not a real iPhone. It does look like iPhone 6s because it comes in rose gold, but if you look closely, there is no S here. It is a very well built clone, and if I put it next to an iPhone, this is an iPhone 6, I am yet to receive my 6s. So just for comparison's sake, since both look very identical, 6 and 6s, the clone here, which is in rose gold color, has exactly identical placement of SIM card tray, power button. The back looks exactly the same. The sides and the button placement of the mute switch as well as the volume rockers is the same. The bottom looks the same. It's very difficult to visually identify these two phones just by looking at them and telling that which is real and which is fake. In fact, the logo has also been done very nicely this time. It comes with this glossy finish, although it catches up smudges really fast. The protruding camera, the camera optics, the location of secondary microphone and everything is identical. But how to tell apart the real iPhone from the fake one? Well, this also poses to have a fingerprint sensor which you can set it up, but it will unlock with any other finger or any fingerprint. As a matter of fact, it is just a touch sensor. The easiest way to tell whether this is a real or fake iPhone is to quickly open the App Store. When you open the App Store, instead of taking you to Apple App Store, it takes you to Google Play Store. That is the first hint that this is a fake iPhone. And when you hit on Maps, it will take you to the Google Maps rather than